Department of Justice is refusing to make public any records used to produce FISA court warrants related to Russian collusion probes. However, that may soon change. Here's One America's John Hines with the story from Washington.
The government watchdog group Judicial Watch has announced it has filed a lawsuit against the Justice Department seeking information used by the FISA court to obtain warrants to surveil Trump campaign advisors Carter Page and Michael Flynn.
Well, we know there are court hearing transcripts of the FISA court, the Foreign Intelligence Surveillance Act court, at which the Clinton DNC dossier was used to justify an application for warrants. Congress has asked for these records, and the court said, look, the records are over at the Justice Department. They have full authority to release them if they want to. So we're sued in court to get these records.
And this isn't the first time Judicial Watch has sought these records. It has filed a previous Freedom of Information request, a request rather than a lawsuit, which was ignored, says Judicial Watch President Tom Fitton, who thinks this is a good example of the deep state in action, shielding the Mueller probe.
We've asked for the transcripts. We're not asking for anything that would be classified. Here, I think the Justice Department and the FBI are covering up again for the deep state and protecting the Mueller operation. Congress is asking for these records, Judicial Watch is asking for these records, but the Justice Department is stonewalling. That's why the President is upset, that's why Congress is threatening impeachment and contempt, and that's why Judicial Watch is suing in federal court.
And central to this lawsuit is that according to the Nunes memo and the subsequent report about the Russia issue by the House Intelligence Committee, the court was not informed about political connections to the Clinton dossier used to justify surveillance warrants, says Fitton.
So the court wasn't told that this Clinton DNC dossier was indeed funded by the Clinton DNC crowd. Which was, I think, a material omission, an omission of a fact that the court should have known. What we want to know, who was misleading the court potentially? Did the Justice Department tell the court that its Justice Department employee, Bruce Orr, his wife was working at the source for this report? One can imagine what's in these transcripts, and it explains why we're getting the stonewall from the Justice Department.
Fitton adds that he thinks the special counsel is, even now, continuing to use information from the DNC dossier to investigate President Trump. John Hines, One America News, Washington.
We can use your help. Call your cable provider and kindly demand that One America News is added to your lineup. Call today.